What up, guys? We're just gonna be
going to the ditch.
We're gonna do walking around part 2.
So,
Because we're gonna be doing walking around part 2.
no, not, and also going into the ditch.
Yeah,
You have to go into the ditch for your videos.
yeah. And this is only my second video. My other videos were working, so
Oh, and hey guys, I'm the cameraman. You know me.
yeah.
Gary Videos 1, 2, 3, Zonato 77, Blazer 50. Yeah.
What's your Owen? What's your video name called? Like,
What's my channel?
yeah.
Scary Videos 1, 2, 3. But Blazer 50 and Zonato 77 is Beckett. You know him.
Yeah.
You should.
Yeah, he makes lots of videos. Subscribe and
Oh man, the rainfish are dead.
huh?
The rainfish are dead.
Well,
No, there's still water. I see swimming.
here, let's catch some mainfish. He don't point at me.
They're in that little pocket of water. You see that? See that? Here, Randall. We have to take. No, we don't.
Oh, Dylan, look.
What?
There's a whole jackpot. We can catch millions of them.
Oh yeah. Okay. Randall, vlog real quick. I'm gonna catch some.
No, I'm gonna catch some first.
Okay. Yeah. Hold on. Wait for me. I have to come in. Ooh, this is hot. Get into the water. You didn't catch any. In that. Randall, right there in the corner. Scoop.
Ah!
Randall, right there, Randall. Don't splash me.
Don't splash cute.
Hold on. Randall,
Sit up, Doug.
Randall, here. Vlog me real quick.
My phone's not waterproof in my hand.
Here, Randall, vlog me. I need to catch some.
I can't
Why?
because my hands are.
No, just hold it on the case. The case is fine. You just hold it on the case. That's all you hold. Okay.
Going down. Going in. Guys, I need to take a piss really bad.
Red Wilderness here. Oh, I caught two!
Let me see.
Ah, one jumped out.
Here, let me see.
I got a baby though.
Let me see.
Look.
Aw.
See if he jumps out. See that?
Here, Dylan, can you hold the camera?
Hold on.
Please, I need to go to the restroom. Please. Hold it by the case, please.
No, hold on. Okay, guys, look at this. Look at, see those? Those are the fish we're catching.
I don't know where the piss at.
All right, Randall, I have them blocked where they can't get out. Okay? And there's a whole bunch in here. So.
You guys can see you trying to be blocking.
If I could see him though. Here's the thing.
Oh, don't hear some more.
I know. There's a whole bunch right there. Get him, Randall. Hurry. They're swimming away. All right, Randall. Get ready. Right there. They're in my hole. They're in my hole I made.
Don't they can. Don't. They can swim over this and over this.
Okay, hold this then. I'm gonna block them.
No, I will.
Okay. Hold on, guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna set you over here. So I know you're probably facing the sun, but you know we got to do this real quick. Oh. What? What did you step on? Nothing. I think there's a few in there. Hold on. Block some of this because they can swim with this. But then there's no in there. There's none in there. Randall, you see that big pocket right there with all those rainfish? No, not the big one. This one? Okay, yeah, the big one. As they go through, I got them blocked. Oh! No! I caught 4! Get back in! Look! Randall, I caught 4!
Oh, dude, there was one lonely. Because I caught it and then it actually flipped onto you.
Randall, we need something to put in water. We need something that needs water.
Dude, look. He's just,
Hurry!
Okay, last time wasn't there.
Randall, there's a for real cup up there, right there. You see it?
Dylan!
What?
Come here, buddy.
It's in water.
Oh,
Randall, hurry!
yeah.
The water's running out.
No, just put it back in. It's fine.
I'm gonna put it where we can get them again.
Okay, where's the for real cup?
It's somewhere on that island right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, dang it. Hold on. I need all my shoes and my socks. I can't believe, Dylan, I can't believe there was one I caught, one on land. I caught it and then it bounced right out, and then I caught it again and then it bounced right into the water. That was awesome.
I got 2 more, I guess. Cause they're jump. No. Get him. Oh, boy.
Hold on. Trying to do this as quick as I possibly can.
Come here. Hurry, get water in here. We have one on land.
There are ants in here. So I need to wash them out.
Hurry. We got one on land. We need to put water in it. Hold on.
It's okay.
These actually turn into fish. They actually turn into fish. Hurry, Randall, it's running out of water. Here. We put water in it. Here. Randall, behind you. Got one. All right, set it down, and if we catch more, we'll get some. All right,
Okay,
there's
then.
one in-
Block them off.
Randall, there's a few in here, in this little pocket right here. See, right there.
Oh no, don't gonna catch.
I have a whole swarm over here.
You do?
I got one.
Guys, if y'all don't see us, then sorry, but we're just trying to.
Yes, I got another one.
Come on. Oh,
Got another one.
okay. Dude, you're on a roll today.
No. It's me, right? It's me, right, Randall? I'm always on a roll. Maybe. Sometimes. Kind of, maybe. I don't know if I'm always on a roll.
Oh, I caught 2.
Oh, I got one.
I caught 2.
I'm still on the roll. I'm like in the lead.
I literally caught 4 and then 2 jumped out. Okay.
Oh, yes, I got 2.
Okay, guys.
I'm on a roll, Randall.
Oh, God.
You need to try and beat me here. Dang it. Slipped out. Got another one. Dang it, it slipped out again. Got 2.
So you're
Anna, you
catching
need to
them
beat
over
me.
here.
Huh?
You're catching them over here, right?
Yeah. Got one.
Oh my god.
Also catching them in this little pocket here. Got one.
Oh my god.
And I didn't even see him. I just saw something. No! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No! No! Come on, buddy. You gotta come with me. You gotta come with me here. You gotta. Got him by the fin, but I had to do what I had to do here.
You had to save him.
Oh yeah, I got 3. Now and 1. Randall, one's on land. Right there. Right there. You see him? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Got him. We have a lot in here. And then Randall, when we're done, where do you want to pour them? In this little pocket? So we can see how many we actually have. And then we'll scoop them back up. Randall, there's a whole swarm over here. We don't move. Randall, they're in that little pocket right there. Scoop. Don't. Got one. No, no, no. Where'd it go? They're in here. I can catch you easily. I can catch you easily, buddy. Yeah. What?
Okay, Dylan, there's a whole swarm.
Got one. You gotta come with me. You gotta come with me, buddy.
Don't move.
Nice. I'm on a roll, though. Got one. No, no, no. No, 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 no. You gotta come with me, buddy. You gotta come with me.
3.
But I'm still in the lead, though. Sorry, buddy. But I'm pretty much not seeing them. I'm just scooping.
Here, wait, Dylan.
Got one.
I have an idea.
What? What are we gonna do?
So, whenever we're finished, I'm gonna make sure they don't.
It's fine. Okay, let's get some more. Randall, go end your video.
Oh my!
Huh? Got one. Go end your video.
Okay, guys. Oh God. We're done with this video, so